What the?
Some moving that car.
I'm just walking and I just recorded this guy. Wait, that's my car, boy. What is he doing with my car? Where is he, bro?
T-pose.
He just broke my car, guys. Where is he? Oh, he just walked away. Who is this guy?
What the fuck?
Oh, snap. Please subscribe to this video, cause this is
yeah, your face is bomb.
Bro, look at
Get out of my face.
Well, we looking at YouTubers sending funny videos right now. This stuff is crazy though. Like, it's real.
Come on, let's
Now I'm looking for something to stop.
Here's my mom right here. Say hi, Mom. Say it again.
No? Okay. It's right there!
That was my mom.
No, get that off my camera. Stop. We doing that later. That's why I say, but listen. I'm about to watch the whole video so it don't be lagging. Now, what did I tell you? Stop. Dude, what did I say, bro? What I say, bro? No. Is it gonna work? Stop. That off for me. How about we get back on Mr. Gunn? I'll make a record of it. What the freak?
Guys, I got a download screen recorder. Please subscribe. Thank you.